All right, this is the Concept 13.1 video from the Week 14 test. And I'm recording this as the Denver Broncos are getting trounced by the Seattle Seahawks. It's now 29-0. I'm hoping for a Denver comeback, but I wouldn't put any money on it. What I would put money on is the fact that if you really take time and you take a look at your tests and go through the questions that you missed, you will do better week in and week out. So here's question number 2. It tells us that Russell used 9 liters of pineapple juice and 5 liters of orange juice to create his punch last Saturday. So Russell had a nice big party. He used a bunch of pineapple juice, a bunch of orange juice. In fact, we can look at this problem and know that altogether, Russell made 14 liters of punch. 9 liters of pineapple juice, 5 liters of orange juice. Now, Russell has some friends coming over. They were there last Saturday. They really liked the punch. He's going to make the punch again. But since only a few friends are coming over, he only needs 1 liter of punch. So when you see that 1 liter of punch, that should tell you I'm going to have less than a liter of pineapple juice. The entire amount is 1, so the pineapple juice has to be less than 1. So we're going to start by setting up a proportion. Russell wants to create 1 liter of punch. How many liters of pineapple juice does he need? Well, here's what we know. For last Saturday's punch, pineapple juice represented 9 parts out of 14 total. We want to know how many parts out of 1 total liter. So this is the pineapple juice. This is the total. That was last Saturday. This is the pineapple juice and the total for this new batch. So we cross multiply. We get 9 times 1 is 9 equals 14 times x is 14x. We divide by the coefficient, 14, divide by 14, and we get x is equal to 9/14. He will need 9/14 of a liter of pineapple juice. You know it had to be less than 1 whole because he's only making 1 liter of pineapple juice, or excuse me, 1 liter of punch. So the amount of pineapple juice has to be less than 1 whole. So then, he's going to make that punch. How much orange juice does he need? Well, we could set up the same type of proportion again. The orange juice last week was 5/14. Now it's going to be x to 1. We have cross multiplying. We get 5 is equal to 14x. We take the coefficient, we divide by it. So there's our big 1. I didn't do it here, but there was our big 1. And we get x is equal to 5/14 liters of OJ. Up here we had 9/14 liters of pineapple juice. The other way that we could solve for the orange juice is we could say, well, he's making 1 liter. Let's call that 14/14. Why 14/14? Because I'm going to take away the pineapple juice. The rule about fractions is you have to have the same same denominator for both. I'm going to take away the pineapple juice, and what's left is the orange juice. Same answer, 5/14 liters. Okay, so match your test up against these answers, and then if you have questions, be sure you bring them to class.